Landing a meeting with a grocery store buyer can transform your food business from a local startup to a national brand in a matter of weeks.
Having the opportunity to personally introduce yourself and your business to a major decision maker puts you on the map and gets you in the game. And it really could be the most life changing experience you've ever had.
There are several different ways to land a meeting with a grocery store buyer. The best way is to create a profile on a website called Range Me. That's rangeme.com. When you have a digital brand profile on Range Me, you get to highlight your company, your products, and your brand all in one place.
And that puts you in position to be discovered by thousands of retailers on the platform that are searching for new and innovative products for grocery store shelves. Now, once a buyer shows interest, a virtual or in person meeting can be scheduled.
Another way to land a meeting with a grocery store buyer is to submit your product through a local vendor program. You can either check online or physically go into your neighborhood supermarket and ask the store manager if they can connect you with a person running their local vendor program.
And another way to secure a meeting with a grocery store buyer is to attend a retailer sponsored buying event. Now, most of the big box retailers have large in person or virtual events where category buyers meet with prospective vendors and allow them to pitch their food products.
Now, another way to land a meeting with the grocery store buyer is to follow the directions on the retailer's website on how to submit a product for consideration. Now, some retailers offer a buyer meeting after they evaluate your product and they feel it can be a good fit for their stores.
And the key to landing a meeting with a grocery store buyer is to first understand that they're always looking for new products for their store shelves. However, they're inundated with emails and offers from potential vendors.
The best way to get in is to be prepared, be persistent, and follow the proper channels to get in front of your category buyer. Now, if you'd like to learn more details about the process of getting your own food products into retail stores, I want you to click to the right and play the next video in this series. Also, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press that bell so you can get notified when we post new videos. You can also attend one of our upcoming live free webinar masterclasses.